Now the last part, after this, we will be moving to various types of errors that will arise when we are not putting the formulas correctly. But before proceeding to that particular part, we have to do the last type of reference, that is mixed referencing or mixed cell reference. So what is a mixed cell reference? Basically, whenever I'm talking about a mixed cell reference, it is a combination of both, that is relative and absolute, as you are able to see over here. Now, in mixed cell reference, either we put a fixed row or a fixed column. That means if you are able to see over here $A, that means I'm putting the column as fixed and 2 is the number of row. Or over here, A is the column $2. That means once I'm putting the column as fixed and in another I'm putting the row as fixed. Now, talking about the same example that we have learned over here. If you are able to see over here $B $12 is nothing but this particular part. Now what I will be doing, I'm fixing the column and I'll be removing the dollar from the row, that is 12. No change in the formula or no change in the value, sorry. Now I will be removing the dollar sign from B. That means I'm fixing the row and the column is changeable. So over here you will be able to see B $12. So it is nothing but I'm fixing the row, and in the first I have fixed the column. So whenever I'm talking about the mixed cell reference, basically it is a combination of both, that is absolute as well as mixed. I will be removing a dollar sign from here. So I'm fixing the row again, removing the dollar sign from 12, fixing the column, no changes in the value. So in this particular way, we can use all the three type of referencing, that is relative, absolute and mixed reference.